Hi guys, we're here at the Hyatt Regency Maui and I wanted to give you a quick room tour of our room. We're staying in the king bed ocean view room and this is actually our checkout day, so everything is not 100% perfect, but we tried to make it clean and try to match what it looked like when we walked in. Obviously there was more towels and the bed looked perfect when we first came in, but we did our best for you guys. If you don't mind, if you could give this video a quick like, thumbs up, and subscribe, it would really help out my channel. Thank you. So this is the room number we had, 7th floor, 761. And when you walk into the doors, they give you these cute bracelets, which you can use for room charges, your room key, and also for self-parking. When you first walk in, you actually have your bathroom and closet area on the left. This door over here is for a connecting room, so if there are families coming, you can connect. I'm not sure if that's a 2 queen bed. My guess is yes. I feel like hotels usually connect a king to 2 queens. And this is a closet area, which is great if you have a lot of stuff like we do. Plenty of space for hanging clothes. They give you 2 robes. There's a luggage stand here and then 2 more racks here. And then next to those 2 luggage racks in this closet, we have an ironing board and an iron. Storage on top. You have drawers, shelves, and then the safe. Moving along, let's do the bathroom first. Here you have double sinks, a nice lighted mirror. They do give you a good blow dryer as well as toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion. Behind the sink area, you have the toilet and shower area here. Which ours had a stand-up shower. I'm not sure if any of them have baths, but it did have a sprayer and a rain shower head. Moving along from the bathroom, you had this little kitchenette area, which has hot water kettle, ice bucket, coffee station with some forks, knives, spoons, cups, and then a mini fridge for whatever you need for your mini fridge. And then from here, you go into your bedroom and living room area. You do have here a full-length mirror with hooks for storage, which is great. And then your bed area. We kind of set this up the same way it was when we first got here. Because it's our anniversary, they gave us these cute little swans. We had flowers all over the bed, happy anniversary card. And then since my birthday was a couple weeks ago, I don't even think I told them it was my birthday. They made this cute towel cake with flowers and a happy birthday card. Next to the bedside table, you have this alarm clock, but besides that, you have a charging station which has USB outlets as well as regular plugs, and that's on both sides. And then this Bluetooth radio system. Besides that, you have this nice, super comfortable couch. And then on this side, we have desk area, more storage with more drawers, TV. And then on the desk area, this light also has more USB for charging. One nice feature under the bed here, you can fit your luggages if you empty them into all the drawers. Then you have space to put them and then they're out of your way for your trip. And then of course, the best part about this room is the view and your balcony. And actually the way that your bed is facing is great because you can look out onto the water just from your bed and just relax. And this door opens and has a screen. So even if you want to leave your door open at night, you can listen to the waves going and have a screen for the bugs. And you had a little table, 2 chairs, and just an awesome view of the Hyatt and of the ocean. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick video room tour at the Hyatt Regency Maui, and maybe it'll help you out on your trips here. We really enjoyed our stay here at the Hyatt. I think it's great for couples. We saw a lot of groups, conventions. They have a lot of large ballrooms, and even great for families. You know, they have a kids area, splash pad, slides for the kids, and it's large enough that it can handle quite a large number of people without feeling too cramped. So we enjoyed our stay here. It's a really beautiful hotel, nicely renovated, and I'd recommend it for anybody coming to Maui.
I'd like to introduce you to some of my closest friends. He's an African penguin. Now I have 3 males and 3 females. They all have very